So we live out in the country and I do not have a clothesline outside. If my kids are out swimming and they're wanting to go ahead and lay their clothes everywhere, they pretty much just lay them on top of the washer and dryer, and I've got water everywhere. So I actually went ahead and bought this. It is made out of metal. Everything is made out of metal, except for the clips. Those are actually made out of plastic, and this will expand, or it will actually get shorter. It'll get smaller, but this is a drying rack. And so this is what it looks like, which is great if you're trying to go ahead and actually store it during the seasons that you don't need it. But you can see how small that will get, just like that. Kind of small. Now, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's set up, and we've got all of our towels and bathing suits on it. Okay, so this is it standing up, and you can see that it has like these little clips right here so that you could actually go ahead and hang stuff on there. But it does have some locking pins right here. Basically, you pull this back, it unlocks, you lift it, and it will go ahead and collapse on you. Or you go ahead and you put it back onto the clip and then lock it into place. Super easy to use. There's many times where we go camping and there's no trees for us to hang a line. So this actually will go ahead and save us to be able to do that. And then sometimes when we're staying in certain parks, they won't allow us to have a line. They consider it like trashy. So this is perfect for us to be able to take with us when we go camping. So let me show you with all the towels and things like that on it. Okay, there you go. I've got 2 beach towels and I've got 3 pairs of shorts on it. I still have the ability to put something here and something here. And then on the opposite side, there's actually another section that you can go ahead and put something on. So absolutely love this thing. I think it's great. I am so glad that I bought it because I know that I will get lots of use out of it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed the review, please hit the thumb below so that other people will know to watch it.